Hey, what's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I made a video. It's been about 2 months or so, which is way longer than I've gone in the past 5-6 years. And a lot of people have...
And we're starting off, we have a few different categories to get through. First, can CSS. So what can CSS do? I'll try to make sure they're big enough for you guys to see. We'll zoom in or something on these. And let's take a look. Can CSS...
all of that jazz. So I want to clarify all of that, all the way from just starting simple with use state, all the way to rendering content out with server components, and then doing optimistic updates on the client.
Is that your websites start to feel very, very samey and generic because they all use the same pre-styled components. And all those components use what's known as a default theme inside Chakra. And that default theme dictates the color palette available.
This channel, I wanted to talk about three things really. Before I do that, quick stats about this channel that you may not be aware of. 62 million views, over 1,100 videos, which equates to one video every 3 days for the last 9 years since 2014, which is absolutely crazy. And you know what's really cool is I have no plans of stopping or slowing down. Now I do have plans of maybe slightly changing the direction,
which you can execute in your terminal to create a new solid.js project. So that's what I'll do. And once this command executed, you'll have a solid.js in our root folder in this case here. And this index.html file is pretty empty.
And this bug only happens on Safari on iOS. That's it. So how do we solve this? Well, we load up the simulator, which comes with Xcode. So first install Xcode, then load up your website using the localhost or
Oh, I love backing up websites. You just have to, you know, should the worst happen, it would be so disastrous to lose like production data on your site. You know, and with WordPress, you know, maybe you already have version control already. You're backing up
sites and apps. This 2-hour course is actually the very beginning part of my full stack coding course, in which we go further and learn how to style things up using CSS, make our code actually do things using JavaScript, learn how to work with APIs, or in other words, plugins such as this cool map API right here in our travel app we built, learn how to work with databases as well as build our secure backends using Node.js and Express, and learn how to build apps that we can sign up, log in and log out of.
Is that many people don't even understand them, yet still have no problem hating on a free and open source tool publicly. I personally joined the Tailwind cult a couple of years ago after refusing to drink the Kool-Aid for quite a while. In my experience, it's a tool like TypeScript or Svelte that makes it really hard to go back to the thing you were using before, because